And the winner is Kym Staton.
A little quote from Julian Assange, who's now 12 and a half years arbitrarily detained and 4 years at Belmarsh prison. He said, "There is unity in the oppression, and there must be absolute unity and determination in the response." And I want to say we've had an incredible unity to get this film out in just 2 years. Really excited to share it with everybody and get it out into the world to raise awareness and get Julian out of prison. Thank you very much.
I am really delighted to be able to welcome you to the Melbourne Documentary Film Festival for the world premiere of The Trust Fall.
This is very exciting, hugely exciting, and I won't talk long, but just wanted to do a really big thank you to everyone. This film started off as a little YouTube documentary that was going to take 3 months and just be done on a shoestring, and it just grew and grew. And eventually we were ending up able to do something cinema worthy. So everyone that chipped in, huge gratitude for that.
It's not unless we're confronted with the full impact of what's happening that we become engaged.
First of all, I want to thank Kym for an amazing film, and I think, the whole WikiLeaks project is there's a huge power in truth, and this is a huge truth-telling exercise, and I think that's the more people who see it, the more people who are going to demand a truthful and honest Australian government. It is hard to imagine or hard to understand why Julian Assange's government hasn't gone into bat for him.
There's no deflection by government officials in that. It is the absolute unvarnished truth of war.
We will witness it. It will be so fucking sweet when we do.
Such a moving film, and I would implore everybody to watch it.
First class. I will be very proud to have made a film like that.
Just got angrier and angrier as the film went on, and I'm going to go home and warn my children that their lives are
Yeah, it was wonderfully produced, wonderfully written, with a lot of empathy and a lot of truth, and giving us all inspiration to stand up to the powers that be.
I feel like I've got a lot of knowledge about it now, yeah, absolutely.
Oh, it was fantastic. Amazing movie.
And hopefully this is going to bring everything to light and let's bring a brother home. Let's get him home. It's been too long.
I hadn't heard of John Pilcher for a long time, and he was in there with a very cogent views, and all the other commentators were absolutely superb.
It was really eye-opening, and I really recommend watching this film to get insight into just so much deception and to learn about how you can make a difference.
Brilliant film, very emotional. I had to go and get a wine because I had quite a few tears. It was very, very hard to watch, but very important to watch. So
it's really powerful. I think Kym's done a fantastic job.
Watching it was very upsetting and intense, but it will open people's eyes. So definitely.
So yeah, another valuable film. Yeah.
Yes.
Recommend it.
Just hope many people see it because it could make a really powerful impact.